Hi everyone, welcome to our next lesson on multisyllabic words. If you go back to our Google Sites account, you will still see the 5 QR codes, which I will show you how to use in the introduction video. Today we are going to be using Blooket, which is a really fun game that looks like Kahoot, but honestly a little bit more fun because there are more games to use. So once you scan the QR code, this is what Blooket looks like for me. And I will choose a game depending on which one we're kind of like feeling like we're doing. So this is Fishing Frenzy. So cast out your line and answer questions quickly to reel in the biggest fish in the whole wide sea. We got Crypto Hack. So answer questions to mine crypto and hack others by infiltrating their defenses to steal their riches. This is Tower Defense. Answer questions, build towers, and design your defense to protect yourself from the waves of evil blooks. This is Cafe. Serve food to customers, restock your supplies by answering questions, and buy upgrades to create an awesome cafe. This is Battle Royale, which is one of my favorites. Players face each other 1v1 or team versus team. Showdowns and try to keep their energy up until one only remains. This is Factory. Quickly answer self-paced questions to unlock and upgrade books that make you some cold hard virtual cash. This is Racing. Racing's really fun. You get to see who the winner is. The fancier you answer the questions, the sooner you get to the finish line. Answer questions to race opponents and use power-ups to get to the finish line first. This is Crazy Kingdom. Keep a kingdom running by answering a variety of guest requests and managing your limited resources. Tower of Doom. Answer questions to collect cards that help you defeat evil blooks and climb the Tower of Doom to victory. And Classic is a lot like Kahoot, so compete by answering questions quickly to earn points and climb the leaderboard. This is a really fun way for you guys to learn more about multisyllabic words in a super fun way. So if we click on one of these, and I press host game. This is how it's going to look for me, and if I press host now, and it loads, there's going to be a code. So after you scan that QR code, you're going to have to put this code in order to get to the game. And all your names are going to show up here. And then I could start the game. It's going to be a variety of different questions that you guys are going to have to answer. And also, every holiday, they do a whole little holiday version. So, for Halloween, they are doing candy quests. So get in the Halloween spirit by answering questions to collect candy and take it from other players. So these are really, really fun ways of learning to keep you guys motivated and having fun. Let's see. If I go to my Blooket, I can show you guys my questions. There are 8 questions that I have made for you guys. So like how many syllables are in the word vehicle, school, carpet, sunglasses, pencil, television, bicycle, and alphabet. And you guys will get 15 seconds to answer those. And that is all for this lesson.